everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to log into Bolt application using your mobile device. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open the Bolt application from your app drawer. Soon after you open it up, you will now be prompted to enter your mobile phone number. If you've previously signed up with mobile phone number, make sure you do right here as well. Or if you've previously signed up with Apple ID, Google account or Facebook account, go ahead and choose one of these three options at the bottom. Simply go ahead and enter your phone number if you're going to log in with phone. And once you are done, click on sign in. Now, on the next page, it'll prompt you to verify your Bolt account. Type in the code that you just received via SMS on your registered phone number and you will then be able to log into Bolt application. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.